Now today's topic of discussion is analysis of surface traces. Already we have discussed the surface roughness or the profiles of surfaces. So how to analyze these surface traces or how to analyze the surface roughness or smoothness, that we will discuss today. So to indicate the degree of surface smoothness or roughness, a numerical assessment may be assigned by different methods. Okay, and these different methods are peak to valley height method. Then second is the average roughness method. In this there are two types. So the first type is center line average method and second type is root mean square value method. Then comes the form factor and bearing curve. Okay, so these are the four types of surface analysis methods. So out of this we will discuss one by one. Okay, so first is the peak to valley height method. Okay, in this method we will have to do some analysis with the help of this diagram. Okay, so you can see the diagram over here. Okay, so first of all let us discuss what these dells. Okay, so this is the most common method or most common measure of roughness, but it is not by any means to complete definition of roughness. Okay, and this is relatively simple method of analysis. Okay, so using this method we can easily analyze different heights. Okay, and using those heights we can find out the roughness value. Okay, so over here you can see this is the diagram, and in the diagram you can see that there are some peaks and some valleys are there. Okay, so these are the peaks and these are the valleys. Okay, so these peaks and valleys that we want to take, and one reference line is taken for peaks and for valleys also. Okay, so this is the reference line over here, and for valleys this is the reference line. Okay, and we are finding out some lengths. Okay, so the first is the P1. Over here you can see this is P1, this is P2. Okay, this is P3, and again for valleys also there are some lengths, that is V1, V2, V3 and V4. Okay, and this complete length is the sampling length. It is known as the sampling length. So sampling, definition of sampling length is what? So it is the length of profile necessary for the evaluation of irregularities. Okay, that we are taking into account. It is also known as the cutoff length. Okay, जितना भी हमें पीक्स वैलीज या फिर रफनेस फाइंड आउट करना है उसके लिए जो इरेगुलरिटी जितने भी है उसके लिए हम एक लेंथ ले रहे हैं. सो दैट लेंथ इज नथिंग बट द सैम्पलिंग लेंथ. ओके, and these peaks and valleys that we are taking on this profile. Okay, and these peaks and valleys, there are some lengths, that is P1, P2, P3, P4. Okay, and some lengths for valleys also, V1, V2, V3 and dash dash. Okay, so in this method the maximum depth is accepted as the measure of roughness. Okay, whatever the maximum depth is, that we will consider in this peak and valley method. Okay, and that will be accepted as the measure of roughness. Okay, the disadvantages of this method is that it is, or it read the same height h for the two largely different textures. Okay, if suppose some texture is very small, okay, like this, and suppose another texture is like this. Okay, so for these two different textures, so it will consider the same height h. okay, that will be the height h, and this is also the height h, okay. So that will be the major disadvantages of this type of method, okay. And to overcome this representation, or to overcome this problem, we can use the 10-point height average method, okay. In that method, what we will do, so we will take 10 points, okay. Suppose this is the first point, this is second point, again this is third, fourth, fifth, sixth, okay. And according to that, we will take 10 points, and those 10 points we will take the height of those 10 points from a reference line, okay. So this is our reference line or datum line, and from this datum line we will take the heights, okay. So this will be h1, h2, h3, h4, like that, okay. And one another important thing is that whatever the larger height is there, that we will take for the first, okay. And means जो जो कुछ भी जितना भी हाइट जिसका ये रेफरेंस लाइन से ज़्यादा है, दैट वी विल प्रेफर फर्स्ट, ओके. एंड जो कुछ भी हाइट अगर से कम है, दैट वी विल प्रेफर एट द लास्ट, ओके. सो दैट इज द 10-point average method or 10-point height average method, okay. And this is determined by drawing a parallel line to the general lay of trace, okay. And using that we can find out the different heights, okay. And we will find out the lengths also, okay. So here you can see this is the height, and that height is in between the two peaks and valleys, okay. So this is one of the very simple method, but it is not as accurate as of the methods that we will deal in the next chapters, okay. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can ask me into the comment box.